I think I originally was short the stock when it came public. Like, seemed they were losing money. Valuation was huge. So I shorted it from 25 to 10. And at 10, I knew they had $8 a share of cash on their balance sheet. So I was like, there's not much juice left in this short. So I covered, but I continued to follow the name and started to become impressed with the business. Like they cut costs, they put up a couple profitable quarters, they reined in stock-based compensation. And then they went through this path of introducing new products. And I was like, wow, this is super interesting. Like they're introducing these new products. I bet customer deposits or customer growth could accelerate. And my first year in the business was 1999 to 2000, and that year, that time frame, Ameritrade went up 11 times in 12 months.
I own
And
some
I just
Ameritrade at
remember that.
$2.
I just remember like online brokers when they go through their growth curve, they can go up a lot. And so I was like, okay, I'm I think I'm pretty interested. It was on my idea list. And when they reported the Q3 numbers in 23, the stock was down 15% because September of 23 was a weak crypto trading month. Like, who cares? 1 month, it's just weak. And then they lowered guidance because the shape of the yield curve changed. So their forward guidance on net interest revenue ticked down a little bit. And they sold off the stock 15% because of that. I was like, that's crazy. Like, that's crazy to sell the stock down that much. And it was trading for $8 and they still had that $8 a share in cash. And they weren't burning through the $8 because they had broken even and they were profitable. And it's like, okay, what's my downside here? It's $8. Maybe it'll trade through cash, but that's not permanent. And then, with the new products they're introducing, I thought customer growth would accelerate. And then, I bought it the week of Thanksgiving 23 at 807, and then it all happened much faster than I expected. I thought I'd get a double in 3 years. I thought I'd get to 16 sometime. And it just, with the Bitcoin ETFs getting approved the next month, the whole thing just accelerated and took off. So